think that was a mess up. This ain't much a mess up. Candle, one night, and every candle, truck the candle out of OJ. What up, pour me up another drink and then it's okay. Super zooted to my system, addicted, cause with a drink, I need some marijuana quick, sudden, roll me up a spliffy. Super crippy, chronic, crippin' lady that got me super suited and straighted and walking around with a funny little cousin faded. So probably somewhere up on the streets with a drink that is funny and is about as tall as me. Looking like a chick, but it don't matter to a G. I keep it for show, like I had a 20 up in my pocket, my bro, but I'm not going to the show, whole show, crazy cause I'm on Mac, go more beat. Yes, indeed, that would be me or Pasado. Pour me 3 shots. Don't forget the pot. Yep, tetrahydrocannabinol got me high over my balls back in the day. We went to class, never failed, bro, but I had my glasses on dark like I was Lou Rawls. Couldn't see nobody, always missed the roll call. Mr. Chris King, are you here in class? Yeah, I'm here in class, but still high off my ass and every day high off my bass, but we still passed. SAT was like 1 4 and another oh my lord.
Hey, but what about the IQ though?
Well, my dude, I guess all the marijuana, purple and orange and blue that I've been smoking on is actually heightened my IQ, so I feel like I'm 240, E equals MC squared, Albert Einstein, and they don't really need to go there. Impaired must have been the brain. Stanza, write down the stanza. More mathematical with the mathematics. So when we splacking the thing because it can't stand it. Why the cats want to go stab it? If it sounds good, then they want to grab it and run away like bandits. I'm snapping you bastards down on the floor. Freestyling, coming up off the top of the dome. He got himself a little iPad. Back in the day, we didn't even have none of that. We was watching Ren and Stimpy, smoking on Sticky, doing our what. Why you got the dove and the powder in front of oh, faux cheesy, my Mizzy. I be repping Hello Kitty with a HK, what up kitty, LKKL, niggas trying to play. Crazy Chris and King of freestyling all day. Don't give a oof if you're straight or gay. Pour water all up in your face like you was hit with mace. I could call you Day. Yeah, Day. Okay, he okay. Nah, he ain't really okay. He messing around with the bro. With a freestyle, no joke. I hit him with the rope of dope. The Ray Lewis, new true shit. Tell me what you do. I'm in it. Burr and the MCs. I pull them up the truth serum. And then these niggas can't pull the Jack Dempsey. It ain't crazy. Just because you're black don't mean man it's racist, and just because you're Caucasian doesn't mean you get jacked by your dough. Come on, bros, you taking it on to a different second. You get it, bro. Knock on my drink. What did I think? You probably shouldn't do that no more, because I turn to my asshole when anybody spills my liquor. My nigga liquor got me fucked up quick, and I'm in the days. Feeling a lot better than my man. Do this for some days. Okay. Now let's go blaze a J, my lord, cause goddamn, I ain't got no money in my pocket.
Oh, shit.
Yes!